Right, I'm here at Car Audio Security because I've had an install done on my car. I'm going to explain to you what I've done. But before all of that, thanks to Raj, the Renault 5, what a car. Really enjoyed driving that for a few days. Anyway, let's go see what they've done. So I'm with Palm, and all he's done in the last 4 or 5 minutes is tell me I need to peel my screen off. We were saying that.
I was so tempted to do it yesterday. I thought, you know what, Bav's going to get well upset.
So if you're from an Indian background, right? In our house, everyone always put a plastic cover over
cling film. Let's get it right.
Cling film over the remote control.
Yeah.
Keep it fresh.
Yeah.
And then there was that thing in the corridor, the plastic thing. So I've left my protective covers on my screens for that reason.
I was so tempted to pull them off, but I thought, you know what, Bav might get a little bit upset.
Okay, so I'm with Blade. Blade, we've installed, or you've installed, a Target BlueYe.
Correct.
Okay, so can you explain what it does?
Okay, so essentially it's an emergency services vehicle detection system.
Okay.
So it's not a police scanner or radar scanner or anything like that. It essentially picks up the telematic systems that are used by emergency services, so the communication devices and stuff like that, to warn you of those emergency services in the immediate area.
Okay.
So you basically have a little screen or LEDs, depending on what display you went with, and it will show you essentially how many there are and how far away they are. So when it gets close to you, there's basically bars that go up from green to red, shows you a red line, then you know they're very, very close. If it starts beeping at you, then you know they're literally around your car.
So this is fire, ambulance and police?
Yep.
Because that's what signal they use. Now,
Correct.
Is this device, so it's on all the time?
Correct.
And it scans around you. What's the distance it scans around?
I don't know the exact distance, but I would say it's probably up to about half a mile.
Okay.
So it's quite far.
Yeah.
But the thing is, obviously, it's constantly on whilst you're driving, so you've always got that kind of safety around you whilst you're driving.
Okay. How long does the install take, roughly?
Depends on the vehicle, but usually about a day.
Okay, to put it in. And is there much, do you have to take the car apart a lot, or is it quite a straightforward install?
Again, depends on the vehicle.
Yep.
So some vehicles we have to take the full front bumper off
Yep.
to be able to mount the actual scanner that sits inside the bumper. Sometimes we can get to it without having to take the bumper off. But yeah, it's not too much work. That's the kind of worst of it. The rest of it's inside the vehicle. You've got to mount the display wherever you want it. That's about it.
And that's it, and that's all you need to do.
Yeah.
And legality, is it
Fully legal.
Fully
Yeah,
legal?
It's fully legal. Like I said, it's not a police scanner.
Yep.
It's essentially designed to be able to move out of the way of emergency services before you can actually see them. So you're a lot safer on the road.